Did you know that you can sign up to receive email notifications about the latest meetings and agendas? It's easy. Start by going to the Agendas, Minutes, and Packets page on the Village of McFarland website. This page is displaying the CivicClerk menu. To receive email notifications, you must first create a CivicClerk account. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on the Login button, then select Create Account. Enter your email, create a password, and enter your first and last name. The rest of the information on the page is optional, and it doesn't need to be filled out. Once complete, click Submit. You are now registered with CivicClerk. If you wish to sign up for email notifications, head back down to the bottom of the page and click on the Manage button. This menu is where you can select the notifications you would like to receive. Click on the checkbox for each meeting you want to get notifications for, and then click Submit. Your email notification preferences are now saved. At the bottom of the page, you can now see a list of upcoming meetings based on your notification preferences. When a new agenda is posted, you should receive an email from CivicClerk. If you ever wish to change your notification preferences, go back into the Subscriptions page by clicking on the Manage button. You should be able to add or delete which meetings you receive notifications for. Stay in the know. Follow us on social media to get the latest updates on what is happening in the village. Don't forget to tune into our cable channels for announcements and other local community content.